So Jane, with this machine, I got 5 quilting feet. I got 2 with the little springs on, which is what I'm familiar with.
Yeah.
And this is the open toe, which I use all the time.
Yeah.
I like this. There's a closed toe version too, isn't there? Both got the red lines on.
Both got the red lines on. Both. The open toe one will give you much better visibility of what you're sewing, and it's easier.
Like to see where I'm going.
A lot of people find that easier to use, but they do that.
So what are these 3?
These 3, they go on the machine. If you can see, there's 2 little bars on them. They work slightly differently to the others, as opposed to what a lot of people call these the hopping foot, don't they?
Yeah, you have to take the screw out to put these on.
Yeah, you take those.
Yeah, we're very familiar with those.
And these ones, they go on the machine in a slightly different way, and I'll just show you how they pop on.
Yes,
so I'll lock the machine out.
Okay, and that's to keep us safe?
That's to keep us safe. It's a nice safety feature. The only thing that will work is the auto foot lift.
Okay.
And then we just pop the foot off as normal, the button on the back.
Little button on the back.
And these little feet, they go on with the second bar. There's a little almost heel at the back, and it just clips on.
You can hear it.
So it's rigid then. So it's
and
it's going to glide. It's going to glide over your work as opposed to hop. It's a big difference.
And you would always do it with the foot up.
I do it the foot up and lock the machine out.
Okay.
So you don't accidentally.
And then when we're ready to sew?
Then we're ready to sew, we just unlock the machine and off we go.
So we touch the button again, and then it gives us that lovely
again,
noise.
And then we're ready to sew. Yes.
There we go.
So we can look at that in more depth later in sewing applications, because we can do lots of different things with that as well.